Hello and welcome Mr. Wiley Teaches Math. Today we're going to be estimating with present as we calculate discount and sales prices. So we're going to estimate, calculate each discount, and then find the sales price. So we're at a store, it's 20% off sale. There's a book for $39.97. So we're going to find out how much we save and how much the final sales price is. So I look at 20%. 10% is really easy to do, and 20 is double that, so this should be easy. 10%, and this number is really close to 40. So 10% of 40 would be 4, and I'm looking at double that, so I'm going to say the estimate for savings is going to be about $8. All right, to calculate the savings, we're going to take $39.97, and we're going to multiply it by 20% in its decimal form. So 2 times 7 is 14. 2 times 9 is 18, 19. So 18, 19. 2 times 3 is 6, 7. When I have 1, 2, 3 decimal places in my question, so I'm going to have 1, 2, 3 decimal places in my answer. So I'm going to save $7.99 when I do a little bit of rounding, which is very close to my estimate. So how much am I actually going to have to pay when I get to the cash register? Well, I'm going to take the original price, $39.97, and I'm going to subtract my savings of $7.99. So 9 doesn't go into 7, just borrow from here. 9 from 17 is 8. Can't do that, so I'm going to borrow from here. So 9, 1. So when I get to the cash register, cashier is going to ask me for $31.98 because that's a 20% savings off my book at $39.97. And of course, there's going to be tax added to that afterwards. So 25% off a bike at $395. Okay, so I'm thinking about a quarter. And this is really close to 400. So a quarter of 400, or divide 400 by 4, is 100. So I'm going to estimate my savings to be about $100. So I'm going to take my $395. I'm going to multiply it by my percent written as a decimal. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 9 is 45, 47. 5 times 3 is 15, 19. 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 9 is 18, 19. 2 times 3 is 6, 7. So add those up, 5, 7, 8, with 2 decimal places, 98.75, which is pretty close to my estimate, so I'm pretty happy with that. 98.75, $1.25 off my estimate. And to find how much it's actually going to cost, $3.95. I have to add in my zeros, subtracting 98.75. Alright, can't do these, so I'm going to have to do some borrowing. Go all the way back here to do my borrowing. So 5 from 10 is 5. 2, can't do that. 8 from 14 is 6. Can't do that, so make it an 18 and 9. So it's going to be, cost me $296.25 if I get 25% off a bike that usually costs $395. All right, 5% off a computer at $1,175. Okay, so if I made this 10%, 10% would be $117.50, which is pretty close to $120. So what's half of $120? $60. So I'm going to say it's a $60 discount. So I'm going to take my 1,175 and I'm going to multiply by 0.05. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 7 is 35, 37, 5, 6, 7, 8, 5. With 2 decimal places, 58.75. All right, 58.75. Again, pretty close to my estimate. And to find the actual price, 11.75, 2 zeros. Subtract 58.75. You have to go all the way back here to borrow again. 8 doesn't go from 4, so borrow from here. That's a 6, 1, 1, 1. So it's going to be $1,116.25. So we estimated and then we calculated the discount by changing the percent into a decimal and then multiplying by the original price. That gave us our savings, and we subtracted our savings from the original price. Be sure to check the class website for additional assignments and notes.